In this video, we'll be discussing how you can sell to business owners and how you can win in 2019. Coming up. If you don't do it for yourself, nobody's going to do it for you. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning right back on the channel. Thank you so much once again. And if you're a subscriber, thank you. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you do so by smashing the button down below, because I am going to keep bringing you stuff that you would enjoy, that will help you, that will be a tremendous value to you. And so without further ado, let's get right into the video. One of the biggest things I get is that people cannot sell over the phone, okay? I know it's a little bit easier to sell face to face, but most of the people that I speak to, including my clients as well, they sell to businesses over the phone. There's nothing wrong about that. It's beautiful. Okay, the fact that you can connect another human being to the other side of the world, I mean, it's amazing, right? But then how do you actually convince that person to part with their cash and go with you instead of somebody else? Well, in this video, we're going to be discussing exactly that. So make sure you stay to the very end of the video to find out all the answers. And so here's what you could be doing to get your closing rate through the roof, okay? Instead of having a one call close and aim for that, I want you to aim for at least 2 calls. So, hey Van, I can't get on 2 calls. I am already getting 2 calls. Okay, what's the reason? All right. Now, I'm going to give you a good reason why you should get to... I'm going to give you a good reason as to why you should get to a second phone call with your prospect client. So instead of one phone call, you're going to do 2 phone calls. Okay? On the first phone call, you're going to find out their needs, their goals, and of course, money. Okay? How much money they've got. Because if they've got huge goals and they've got, huge needs, but they cannot they cannot pay for your services, then they're not an ideal client to you. Show me the money! Okay, so you need to ask these 3 things for sure. And then what you're going to do is you're going to actually demonstrate your expertise. If you've got an agency already and somebody else is taking care of the fulfillment for you, then what you can do is you guys can build a report, some kind of a report, something that outlays the steps that you're going to be taking for that prospect client, so they can see themselves already working with you and the steps that you're going to take them through. You're going to take their business through, okay? What does that show them? That shows them that you know what you're doing. One of the biggest things that people will encounter is the fact that business owners don't trust you. The reason why they don't trust you is because they don't see you as the expert in your field. I'm not saying you cannot do that on a first phone call. I've done it. I used to do it a lot, okay? But if you're not so good at sales, then I definitely recommend that you follow this path and you do it over 2 phone calls, okay? It's a lot more legit that way, okay? So on the first phone call, you do no selling, okay? None at all. And then the second phone call is the presentation, okay? Second phone call is presentation. Okay? You're going to present everything that you've outlaid in the report. You're going to take them through every single thing that you're going to do for them. Okay, what better thing than that to demonstrate your ability to, to help them. But now they have two choices. They can either go with you. They can either, take the route of. They can either take the route of going through loads of trial and error, and of course they don't have the time to do it. Most likely they're going to choose you because you've gone out of your way to show them what exactly you're going to do for their business, and they will appreciate that. If you're already doing that, well done. If you're not, I highly recommend you incorporate that into the way you prospect. If you found value at all in this video, please give it a massive thumbs up, and also make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking the link down below and get notified, and hit the bell notification sign so that you get notified for any future uploads that I do on the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you on the next one.